Hi all, I am Manisha. In this video, we will be going through the Java Cassandra assignment part 1 and part 2. In assignment part 1, we will be dealing with the traditional string-based Cassandra SQL statement, and in Cassandra Java part 2, we will be dealing with the same thing, but we will be using the query builder to stimulate the statements. So before getting started, we have to make sure that the Eclipse is up and going with all the proper jars so that we are good to go without any compilation issues. So this is the project structure. So this is my project name, and then here's a source. Inside this I have my package defined, and then inside this I have two classes defined. Now let's get started with part 1. So this is the cluster object and this is the session object. This statement is used to connect to my cluster, and this is my local IP address. This statement is used to connect to my key space, that is demo. We have to make sure that we have key space with this name. And let's go to Cassandra shell. So here is my table structure defined, and I have inserted 3 rows in my table. So these are the values. Let's get back there. This statement is used to insert a row in our table users, and then we are printing that row which we have just inserted. Now through this we are updating the value of age in that row to 36, and then again printing that row, and then here we are deleting that row, and in the end we are printing whole of our table values, all the rows in our table, and then here we are closing our cluster. Now let's go to the Java part 2. This part 2 is nothing different from the part 1, just that it is using with retry policy, that is the when the node is not available, it will keep on retrying and it will not just fail in one instance. And also we can use it with the load balancing policy, which is the compliance of Cassandra, that the load is should be equally spread across all the nodes. Then here we have just one insert statement, and then here we are inserting the values, and here we are updating the row inserted. Here we are again showing all the changes in which the rows are, and then in the end we are deleting that row which we just inserted, and we are again showing all the rows. Now let's run our program. So here are the values which I have already entered, and these were the values which were entered and deleted. Also, same way in the Java part 1, I have ran the code, and here were the values, and these were the values which were already inserted. So this is it for Java Cassandra assignment. Thank you.